Hello guys, I'm GT4. Welcome back to Attorney Tribulations. So apparently we managed to find an hole in the testimony of Gumshoe, that aka is the testimony of this eyewitness. And it seems like it's a false evidence, the witness testimony. That testimony is filled with holes. After all, the victim's coat isn't dirty at all. Unlike the scarf that was all muddy, but the hair coat was not. That's true. Of course it's true, Your Honor. Ha! It's not just true, it's the truth. Well, duh, obviously. If there was a truly decisive witness in this case, Anzitutto da voglio wondere over there would have called them in the first place. Of course he would, but it seems like the witness is not so decisive. Your Honor, the defense requests to cross-examine the eyewitness. The testimony presented so far is not only vague, but contradictory as well. Why, Mr. Jordan? It appears that we'll need to hear from your mystery witness after all. You should brace yourself. What's that supposed to mean exactly? For the brutal truth. Okay, we'll see about that, Edward. You should embrace yourself for the brutal truth, though. Your Honor, the prosecution has no intention of hiding the witness from the court. It seems like the way to me, but okay. We are prepared to present our witness at any time. Then you could do it earlier. Very well. Please bring forth your witness at this time. But Mr. Edward said kind of weirds me. What does he mean by the brutal truth? I suppose we just had to find it out, Mia. Now, let's proceed with the testimony. Mr. Edward, please go right ahead. Thank you, Your Honor. The prosecution summons the woman who saw the events that date with her very own eyes. For that, we have to see if she really witnessed the whole thing or not. That I know she said all bullshit and all. Listen, Mia. The battle begins here. And not only here, Mia, but you will see. Witness, what is your name and occupation? And she is... Everyone is so stunned that I can hear their hearts going Peter. Yeah, like the last time. Oh. Judge, don't. She's a minor. Don't you fucking dare. When I look at you, how can I put it? You look as scrupulous as a double and donuts holes. Okay, Judge? I don't want to judge what you just said, but whatever. I feel like I want to hurry up and down the verdict just to have a bite. Judge, no, don't, please don't. You're still not in that part yet. Hey, not so fast. Yeah, I have to agree with that. Please don't so fast. Besides, we still start this. As I said before, his sweetness is very sensitive and delicate. Again, she's not either sensitive or delicate. She's a fucking bitch. I will ask the court to please express care when addressing her. Yeah, that will never happen, Edward. Trust me, that will never happen. Not for me, at least. Yes, indeed. Thank you, Mr. Edward. You are a true gentleman. Well, yes, he is, but in this case, we're not really talking about a young lady in difficulty, if you know what I mean, so... Miss Faye, you could learn a lot from this man. If he's such a gentleman, he sure doesn't act like one to me. Yeah, well, you know, it's kinda something, if you can say so. Sir? Yes, my dear? This is my first time, so I'm sure I make a lot of mistakes. Anyway, I just want to say I'm sorry for all the trouble and my chaos. Not at all, it's not trouble at all. Yeah, sure, for me it is. Now then, may we please have your name and occupation? My name is Melissa Foster. Yeah, that's a bullshit. That's the first bullshit, Dahlia. I'm a college student, a freshman in the literature department. Okay, this part is true, but only that part. You were on the scene when the unfortunate events occurred, correct? And you were the one who took this photo? Is that accurate? What? How can you be so mean? What that's supposed to mean? Let's see here, what are you doing solving that in her face like that? It's just a photo. Huh? But it's just a photography. It's not like it's something dangerous. Yeah, exactly, just a photo. It's time before to penalize you. Oh wow, thank you, George, really. Uh-oh, I don't like the turn this has taken. Yeah, me either. Is she staring at me? And you will be? Huh? I'm the defense attorney. My name is Mia Fey. I think I can see what's going on here. I see. So you are... Now then, young lady, could you please give us your testimony? Yes, Your Honor. I'll do my best. AKA she will do her worst. But okay, let's start with the first witness testimony with Dahlia Hatton, because I know her real name about this. But we will see later if she will tell her the real name or not. I was using my camera to take some pictures of the wildflowers. Then I noticed that there were two people standing up on a suspension bridge. Suddenly, they just started fighting. That's when I heard and took the photo that shows the crucial moment. And after that, I called the police. Can you say only Judge? By the way, where were you standing when the accident occurred? Yeah, I don't think we never noticed. I believe the map will be of help here. I was standing right over here. I was standing in a beautiful flood surrounded by large cliffs. Okay. So you took the photo from the location, eh? For now it seems so. But the camera I was using at the time, just like Mr. Juta asked me to. Oh, what a cute camera, just like its owner. Yeah, I cannot doubt that, but whatever. Okay, now we have the camera on the call record. Alright then, Miss Faye, time for your cross-examination. But I warn you, make the witness cry again and you will feel the word of my gavel. Okay, jeez, you don't need to be so something to me. Even if she deserved to have the worst, but whatever. Let's just do this cross-examination without pissing off the judge for now. Did you say wildflowers? Yes, the mountain is famous for its beautiful springs with flowers. But it's only February. Well, I couldn't wait for spring to come. Oh, I know just how you feel. Yeah, I don't, but whatever, Judge. Just like when I first started growing with the gorgeous beard of mine. Yeah, I don't think it's the same, but whatever, Judge. Whatever. I just couldn't wait, so I wore a dyed blonde santan beard until mine grew in probably. Would you mind if you got back to the fact of the case, Your Honor? Is there anything strange about the two of them? I'm a bad girl, I know I am. At least you know that, Daria. It looked like they were having a really serious conversation up there. So I decided to watch them, like some kind of peeping Tom. Not at all, everyone is like that. Well, I guess it depends about the case, but I suppose. I love watching other people fight too. In fact, I can get enough for it. Okay, maybe that's a problem, Judge. You should see someone that can help you with it. Actually, that's why I took this job in the first place. That will explain a lot, honestly. Too much info, Your Honor. He agreed. In any case, it's perfectly not natural for you to keep watching them. Especially dressed as they were. Yeah, I guess it makes sense in a way. Well, anyway, I was watching them very closely. Do you have any idea what they were fighting about? No, I have no idea. Why do you ask that? Well, you know, just a simple question, that's all. Oh, I just thought that maybe you overheard what they said. Oh no, don't you dare try the crocodile tears on me, Dahlia. Don't you fucking dare. I will never eavesdrop. I got more class than that. Yeah, again, that's a bullshit, Dahlia. I know how you really are, so don't bullshit with me. That's right, Miss Faye. Don't drag the witness down to your well, to your level. Grr. Yeah, I feel you, Mia. I feel you. Why did you take a photo? Well, the two of them were really good at it. Besides, it was a little girl, I always wanted to be a news reporter. I guess that part of me just kind of took over. Smell like a lie to me. Yeah, same here, Mia. I have the same feeling about that. A big fat lie. Yes, I understand completely. Yeah, I don't think you understand, Judge. Even now I can't completely abandon my bodyhood dreams. Okay, well, I will not ask more about it. I still used my grandson to test my comedy routine son. Yeah, poor grandson. So you wanted to be a comedian, huh? Not that I has any bring on this. Yeah, kinda, but let's just let him be, because again, he's the brother of the judge, so you know, it will make sense. All I could do was to use my camera. So took the photo of the crucial moment and give it to the police. You called the police? Yes, because it looked to me like the murderer was going to try to escape. You were already moving before the car even came in. Thanks to the victim's note, we have already started our operation. That was certainly enough luck for the criminal, eh? Well, in a way we can say so. If Terry Fozzi isn't a criminal, who is then? Then there must be something strange in that girl's testimony. As always. Be careful, kitten. I will. Good as the judge wrapped right around the little finger. Yeah, I kinda noticed that, Armando, thank you. I kinda noticed that. They're going to have a tough time poking holes in that testimony of hers. You're going to have to come up with something real good, Mia.